Guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to 𝓐𝓵𝓮𝓳𝓪𝓼. So today I'm at my cousin's house and another cat up there. I literally hold it. I was literally holding it and then it bit me. Right here, I think. Wait. So it bit me like right there. Right here. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah. It's literally under the balcony. I mean the balcony. The barbecue. Excuse me. There's the cat. It's literally munching on a piece of meat right now. Está comiendo carne, el gato. No, sorry. It's eating a chicken.
No comió comida hoy, pero es que deja para su perro. Yo lo que voy a hacer es eso que hice ahora. Voy a echar la comida.
I don't even know how. So it was up there, and then I brought it down. First it bit me. I was saying scratch me. Bit? No. But scratch, no. I will not do that. And then I brought it down to that chair. I was holding it, and then I brought it to my dad, and then I put it on the floor. So yeah, my first time holding a kitty. So yeah, this is the cat update. Oh yeah, and you want to see the dog update too? Okay, I'll show you dog update. Here's dog update. It's so big now. Like it was like small a few weeks, like a week ago, and now it's humongous. I mean, not like, and it's a pit bull dog, so I'm kind of nervous. Oh, okay, well, that dog's lazy. I've been here for a long time, like 6 hours, and all he's been doing is sleeping. So we're gonna go cat hunting. Okay, so we're going cat hunting. I love going cat hunting because it's fun and I get to see cats. Is that a cat or is that a bag? It's a bag. I thought that was a cat. I see one. I see a cat. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a cat right there. I'm gonna go up to it. It's like, I don't know what time it is. Maybe like 9 or 8 o'clock. Oh, this is a car there. Wow, there's a kitty right there. I'm actually touching a stray cat. Yay, I touched it. I'm happy. 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 So yeah. Okay, we got one down. A few more to go. We're gonna get to 3 cats because Taylor Swift has 3 cats. So we got one. We're gonna name that cat Angelica. So we got Angelica. She's right over there. Okay. Hope I don't step on like dog poop because that would be gross. It smells like dog poop over here. I'm not going here. Oh look, I found another cat. Just here. Meow. 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 This cat has no idea. Don't go away from me. It's right over there. Yeah? Cat. Kitty. This is Mia. I'm gonna call her Mia. Oh, look, Angelica's coming over to chill. Meow. Meow. Oh, Angelica. So cute. I made up these names. So there's me over there, and then Angelica's right there. And then just the plastic bag. Just a plastic bag, drifting through the wind, wanting to start again. Meow. I'm trying to act like a cat so they will come near me. I don't know why I do that. I meow back at cats for some reason. I lost Mia now. I don't know what she wants. She probably. Oh, I see her. She's licking herself. Kitties. I love cats so much. Like, they're my favorite animals. I love Taylor Swift's cats. They're so cute. So cute. I want to see what color her eyes are. Meow. Yeah, my hideous Crocs. Meow. Come here. Meow. Angelica. I made up this name. I don't know what this cat's name is, but yeah. She's scratching herself now. I wish I could be a cat. Kitty! It's a kitty! Meow! Meow! Uh-oh, there's a guy there. Meow! Kitty, come back! Come back, kitty. Okay, this one. Is that a Taylor Swift? Oh, look, I found another kitty. I'm gonna name this one Lucky. Hi, Lucky. Or is that Mio? No, that's not Mio. Mio went over there. Lucky. Hey, Lucky. And Angelica's here, and then Lucky went over there. Okay, we're gonna go near where the house is, because there's some cats. There's usually cats under these cars. So let's see if there's any. No, but maybe it's in that car. Let's look. No, I don't see any. Oh, maybe back here. There's my dad's car. Maybe there's a cat. Oh, that light randomly turned off. I don't know why. But okay. This is where my uncle, my grandpa lives. Okay, so guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Subscribe. Bye. Love y'all. And comment if, oh look, I see some cats. Comment if you want another cat video. Bye.